I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with the Euclidean sequencing, but basically it's a principle of equal distribution with some rounding aspects. So in many rhythms you have some instruments going on that want to be sort of equally distributed in the rhythm. But what happens if I want to distribute 5 events in the 8 steps? I need to sort of move them around and assign them to the closest possible step. So some guys have started to use this in the modular world, and it's called an Euclidean algorithm. And a lot of those rhythms you can get from the Euclidean sequencer are sort of very familiar and very musical, I have to say. So here you can set how many steps there are and how many events there should happen in those steps. There is also a probability mode, so let me change to probability. To change the mode, I simply need to move the knob and press the mode button. Now it's a clock, and white is a probability. So with the knob, I'm setting certain probability whether the clock goes through. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is something I haven't said. Yes, there is 2 different kind of multiplicators for the trigger or clock signals. One is a simple clock multiplier, which tries to count all the clocks regularly in between the clocks. So I don't know, for instance, if you have a slow clock and you want something to have a triple or 2 times the tempo, you can use the multiplier. And then there is a trigger repeater, which is great for synthesizing clap sounds, which consists of a lot of decay envelopes which are re-triggered. So there is also a trigger repeater. And I'm pretty sure I forgot on something, but yeah. This guy, it sort of needs a manual, but you can really use it to sequence also the full thing, but it's not really meant to be this. It's sort of like you want something musically and to do with like triggers or rhythms, and very likely this guy is able to do it. And if not, please let me know, because I couldn't really think of any possible thing that it's not in there. So hopefully it's there all.